In this video, I will show you how to add products to a collection in Shopify. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Products. Then select Collections. Now click on Create Collection in the top right corner. Here, enter your collection name. In this example, I will name it Sample Collection. You can also add a description and an image if you want. Now, for the collection type, the easiest option is to keep it as manual. After that, click Save. Right now, the collection is created but no products are added. To add products, you have two methods. First method, click Browse inside the collection and select the products you want to add. Second method, go back to Products on the left side, select the products you want, click the three dots, More Actions, then click Add to Collection. Now choose your collection, in this case, Sample Collection, and click Save. Now your selected products are successfully added to the collection. That's how you can add products to a collection in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.